Hungarian food na to. Actually guys, sorry So ito, body look. Ito, ito, may 7,250 siya. Grabe, ang nakulit ko maano.
Who are you guys?
Expert talaga dyan. Actually, aside from that, meron ito. Mas tayo. Ayan. Nakakuha ni Besta nila. Buddha Fest Bacon daw. So, 3,900 forint yun. Actually, plus,
Freddy, relax. Clearly, when we all got through that portal, got all,
so yung lambot niya parang 5 times
all of us with the
level
scrap
pizza.
kitchen before we
Yung
go in the
size
portal.
okay. Yung pre natin, overall has
What do we do now? I don't even remember what happened. I can't think.
Nanalo ka. So, try niyo pa rin. Kayo na lang bahala kung anong topics yung mga bibili
Looks
niyo,
like
okay?
looks like we need to be a team. We need to think.
Tayo ng water.
How do we think?
Water natin.
I don't know. We just gotta be a team.
What's
Foxy, what is it, lad?
And,
Do you know where we are and how this happened?
hindi ko makakaret sa Paris.
You wouldn't know. He's just like all of us. Hey, there's someone inside here.
Ano ba? Dito ba? Hindi ko
Hello?
is city niya yung Budapest dalawa. Site ng Buda at sa na parang atake. Iba-iba ibibigay sa inyo, di ba? Ayun just
How do we even know what this board is like?
4,400 foreign yung presyo niya. Actually, ito yung magkasang truffle. May truffle na spinach onion. Ito namang truffle na spinach and onion, 4,400 foreign.
I'm so confused.
Ang mga
Hey
staff,
there, can I
ganyan.
join you guys?
So mamaya pang gabi ako rate nila
Who's this
2,500.
guy?
Ito parang feeling ko paste to. Kasi yung Budapest dolls. 4,800 foreign. Usually
That's
guys,
a good idea.
ang masasabi ko na yung atake nito
To get out of this island?
sa likod natin. Action kasi dito sa vlog na to. Sabi sa ay,
Oh, that's-
ba't ang dilim sa
Oh,
baba?
that's-
Ano meron?
That's a
meron
bad
dun?
idea. We're a team.
Ano to? Ano ba to? Yung mga tao kasi
No,
napupuntahan
we're not a
dito.
team. I'm. Oh no, we are a team.
Ano? Di ba
Hey, new
supermarket
guy,
yun?
do you wanna come over
Okay,
here?
so ano to?
Like, can I tell you a story how I first got the
Ano?
pizzeria?
Ayan.
To be
Ay,
honest,
teka
sure.
lang. Ang cute
I,
daw.
I want to hear this.
Yan, isa
Fine,
pang
fine.
mga isa dyan na lang kayo
No, I can't swim.
Lagi naman tayo pambili. Basically,
I was nothing
papakita
but
ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga shops na meron. Eh, nagawa mo na.
Hey, we got our
Meron
answer.
dito,
Nag-allow you
Calvin
instantly.
Klein. Pero
Damn it,
yung
we're
muna
stuck.
Calvin Klein or yung CK
There's
sa
no
Australia.
way. We're
Meron
stuck
tayo.
here. We have no shelter, no water, no nothing.
Parang first
We do
time
have
sa
one
ayos
now.
natin itong world.
Where? We gotta make this water last. We haven't showered in years, actually. We never fixed it.
One big
Fed, we're not- What do we do? We need some intelligence. Well, can we try to ask this guy to let us sleep over? No. I knocked on the door and he got scared. Nonsense. Hello?
Here's a hungry going sa puzzle. While sa Buddha, trusted natin yun sa lights. Okay, so sa flag.
Chica, wake up. We're stuck on an
Ito ang
island.
itsura ng guys sa check-in part and super delicious natin is
So, how are we gonna get shelter? Who's this dude? Mister. Mister.
Ang winter naman. And ayun po, actually,
Boink.
pagka
Ay.
dito kayo, at paglabas, nagpahuli nga natin din. Paano ka po yung mangyayari? Kasi,
I don't know if I can help anymore.
From airport to home,
I don't know if I can help anymore. Too hurt.
Tapos once naman na nandun na kayo sa hotel,
Oh, get up, shut up.
Paano ma-maximize na? Or yung parang border
What is?
before next yung sinakyan natin, if ever
Stop
dyan kayo
kicking
sumakay
me.
para makapunta kayo
We can
here,
punch down trees to make. Can punch down trees to make wood, like and like you know.
French dito.
What's the word? Go look ready. Everyone punch the trees. Everyone punch the trees.
Nakatungtong ngayon is ito po ang
Can't punch-
dito naman sa side na to. So,
I broke it.
ano tawag doon, parang
Why is it floating?
dito kasi medyo
This doesn't
maagang
make
buwama
sense.
yung araw. So tayo,
Nothing makes sense.
and alam
We're
nito
full
nga,
of
sige ba
shoes,
nga,
bro.
sabihin ko
Makes
na sa
sense.
inyo,
Think
mapanood
that
din
doesn't
naman
make
na sa mga
sense.
susunod na episode.
What's your problem?
Pupuntahan na. Dahil overnight siya. I mean, alam mo yun, pero guys,
No,
ganun.
I'm
So, I'm so excited na share sa inyo yun. Mapakita ko sa inyo.
Stop.
Tayo magbili dito sa Japan. Mahal-mahal dito. Tapos restaurants doon. Actually, gusto ko lang talaga siya makita in person. Kasi, alam nyo,
Guys, I have an idea. Hold up.
para siya yung sa shake, rattle, and roll sa Switzerland na ganyan. Ito yung pag-mix and matching mo. Ito guys, ang order natin. Bilis natin
Wait,
siya.
we'll have to come back down here soon.
Tapos guys,
But
yung
first,
McFood
I'm gonna make us all something that we can use.
Ano meron?
Ready, look. Alright. Okay, guys. So we're gonna cut down trees with the pickaxes. Okay, with the axes, okay?
You need to pay. Parang ganon.
We're making progress.
May bahid.
What about Team Trees?
So, naglalaro sa...
Team Trees wouldn't support this.
Wisdom.
Bed out of cubes, so would you rather have a house? No.
At ngayon po,
How we
dito sa
how we gonna get food?
YouTube.
I'm gonna go look around the island, guys. I'm gonna go look around. Guys, there's a block that says TNT on it.
Dyan,
Ay! Leave that alone.
Mga Christmas na magkakapartner yung buong pa. 64 Cafe and...
Arr!
Alam niyo, kung
Arr, 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 arr. That's our only supply of water. Stop! Stop!
Sa supermarket vlog. Ito guys, yung mga alam nila. Parang may mabango din siya. Tapos ito naman yung usok pa. So meron siya mashed potato, tapos patty, tapos itong sitaw. Tikman natin itong mashed potato. Ano?
Oh, damn it, Foxy. What are we gonna do now?
Process.
So this is okay. Now let it crowd down there. So bring the food, and you'll be able to cook your food.
Preview sa Lisbon Cathedral. Hello guys!
Everybody, come on.
Again, with another
Okay.
vlog. And now, pupunta na po ngayon. Nakakatuwa tong area natin.
We'll stay up here. Chica, you can't really go down with it. Chica, go down with it. Actually, Foxy. Arr.
And chocolate. Tapos, pinagpapit ng leche, 3.45.
Continue building the house.
Okay.
Okay.
Pero, tututo kasi mura pa
Well,
yun.
that's the end. Well, that's the end of part 1.
Lumag pa sa 10. Ay, hindi, over XL pala to.
See you guys
Dito
in the
na
next
sa over
one.
X. O,
See
diba?
ya.
Yan ang sinasabi.